Hello and welcome. Today I am going to tell you about two methods and two applications to make these tunes. So let's start with the first method. So the application name is TuneMe app. You have to just open TuneMe app and there are already given top tunes and also trending tunes provided by the application itself. You can check which tune you like and choose as per your choice and select the photograph for which you need. I have selected the picture of which I want to make tune of. So this application has a problem. I can't record this screen properly. Here some steps are not shown. You can just follow the steps by opening the app. You can do it properly. This TuneMe app is just an automated app. You have to follow the steps and it will work on yourself. See, the dresses are shown here. Select any one of those costumes which are available in this application. There is a second method in which I will tell you. Yeah, now it's saved. The second application which I'm going to tell you about is Tune app. This is the common app which everyone is using. So here you have to work something. Just select the photograph and it will automatically convert into a tune. Here also some costumes are available, but if you like then you can choose, otherwise then leave it. But these are available only for boys. So I have created some bitmojis of costumes through Bitmoji app and downloaded it. So you can also try creating costumes of your choice through Bitmoji app. Download it fast so that you can create it on yourself, and just you have to rub the face part. After saving the picture in Tune app, you have to open PicsArt. This application will help to complete our tune. So go to create and select a photo that is the background of the image. After that, add a photo that is the body of the tune, and now adjust it on inside the circle. And after that, add another picture that is the tune which you created from Tune app, and select cutout and choose the outline to cut the parts and make a shape of the face. And that's the process how this tool is finally created. You can see here. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, like this video. I will be updating you all with trending arts and aesthetics edits regularly. So thanks for watching, and the tune is finally completed. You can see I will provide all the bitmojis which I have created on my description box. You can download it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.